Cypher. So I'm doing this this practical assignment 1B for my advanced AES course. So the first task is basically to light up both LED on PA12 and PA4 of the Nucleo board. We have a STM Nucleo board. I'm using now is STMF401RE board. So based on the example code, which turns on LED on PA5 on port 5, I'll, I'll go through with you the modification that I've made to make these two LED light up. So I have here is the example that we have. So basically these two lines here set up the bit 12 and bit 4 to be PA12 and PA4. This is the port that we want the output, the LED to be light up. And the rest of the part, I didn't change anything. This is the configuration for GPIO, the input data register, GPIO output, and the rest. This is for the reset bit, the bit set reset register. So we have a loop here, which always looping this mode here. We load the bit set reset register into LD1 and also LD2, which is LD1 we want the bit to be set high, and we also want to clear this bit LD2, which here is PA4, to be reset. We want to clear bit 4. Okay, then this, I think, if you refer to the example that we have, is pretty similar from here, from this line. So I just add another line to include PA4, the second LED that we want to light up. But the configuration of the LED is a bit different. One is tied to ground and the other is tied to high. So the configuration will be a bit different. We want the first one to be tied to high and the second one to be tied to low. So this line here will load your clock. This is to initialize your clock. We enable the clock by loading this the value 1 into the register. This is just a write back, and we want to set the mode for the GPIO for the two pin that we have, two ports that we have to be output mode. So as you can see, we load first the address from GPIO mode. Then we want to modify the address. So we have two registers that we want to write 01, bit that we want to write 01 into this address. 01s mean general purpose output mode. 00 should be input, 10 should be alternate function, and 11 should be analog mode. So we shift this address to be 24, the address back into GPIO mode R, mode register. Then these two, I didn't change anything, which basically we want to make both pins to be push and pull, and we want to make this line to make the speed to low, the GPIO speed to set to low. So we can build and see whether there's an error or not. So there's no error, 0 errors and 0 warning. So we can simply go to the bin file that we have, bin file here, and we can upload and see what's the output on our STM Nucleo Board.